Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great and feeling well. I'm back with one more so attractive Chrome text effect today. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your text or your favorite logo into this beautiful style without needing to have knowledge in Photoshop or spend a lot of time. So to get started, I'm just going to right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. So in the window which appears right here, you can just type your ideal text like this easily. Just need to type anything you like. Here we go. And done, just like this. So you can just move them around until you get to your desirable result, and finally close the window and click save. We're going to wait a moment till our style is applied, and as you see we have this magnificent result. And just check out how easy the style is applied to our text. I'm just going to tell you about the folders so you get to know about everything. The first layer was to edit the text. The second is to edit this text right here. You can change the font or just edit the text. Also the next folder, the sparkles folder, are these cute little lights right here, which are supposed to be placed on the text. Just manually just select them and place them on your text. Any that is not in the right place, just to select them one by one and place them wherever you think looks better, just like this. Is so easy, just needs a little patience. Simply like this. One more here. Here we go. So also you can get copies of them with all and drag them in all your different parts and use them. So I'm just going to place this one here, and almost the sparkles are okay, so perfect. Just going to close the folder. In the style folder we have the main layers, which I suggest you to just ignore the style folder because it can make a little disorder. So in the lights group we have this light at the bottom right here, which with a double click on this icon and select color overlay, you can just edit the color easily and get to some totally new results. And also the next layer is to edit the color of this section, just like this. So you saw how easy was able to convert our text into the style. So now I'm going to show you how you can use a logo and turn it into this style and get to impressive results. So one more time I'm going to right click on the layer and select edit content. In the window right here we're just going to insert our logo into Photoshop. So I'm just going to drag here. I used a Coca-Cola logo. We just drag right here into this window and insert it. So it's right in the center. We don't need these two layers. We just remove them. And here we go. So now I'm just going to click close and save. So here we have our beautiful chrome style on our Coca-Cola logo. All you need to do right now is just select the sparkles and place them in their right place. These adorable lights which give a brilliant light reflection and add to the beauty. So done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like to download this style, all you need to do is just refer to hyperpixel.net and download this text effect plus 100 more products and use them in your personal and commercial projects. Don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much.